Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look tonight at MicroStrategy stock. Now over the past 5 days we're seeing this stock moving up by 4.74%. Over the past month we're now seeing a little bit of a turnaround. We're actually coming green ever so slightly. With the question now on a lot of people's minds being, where are we going from here? Well, whilst nobody can say for sure, and whilst I am not a financial advisor, so this video is not financial advice, I will be sharing with you all of my thoughts and opinions on what might be coming in the next couple of days over the course of this video. We'll also be reflecting on everything that we've seen in the past week. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. Again, we might as well jump straight in. So we're going to come over here and have a look, if we can, on the charts. Let's just type it in again. Mstr. We're looking over the past couple of days, and you will see things really beginning to pick up. Now, one thing that we spoke about in the last few videos is this challenging channel that we've seen forming. This is to the upside maybe 137, to the downside maybe 320. So 337, not 137, 337 to the upside, 320 to the downside, right? We had a lot of difficulty bouncing off the low side, the support levels at this point many a time, and then bouncing off these resistance levels to the upside many a time too. However, fortunately we're seeing the stock now breaking out above this. Now it looks like we're also seeing the stock hold on more strong levels of support, higher levels of support, such as 338.44. Now you're seeing that line hold up here. You can see this if we have a look across the screen. Again, this is a level above which we have seen many times. We've seen this stock hold this point. If you have a look back to the 2nd of September, you're also seeing this at many a point in the past, historically, in late August. So the question is, if we're able to hold on to this, where do we go? Well, of course, you are looking then to push up to levels initially which are going to be past 347. I don't know why I keep saying 1, right? 347 is potentially one of the next levels of resistance if we are able to maintain this uptrend. You are seeing difficulty at this point a few times in the past through August and into September, so breaking above this is going to be one of those critical levels. I think if we are able to break above the recent high that we've seen, which would take us up to 357, 358, and ultimately onto 360, then we are definitely entering a channel where we're asking questions about new levels of support, new levels of resistance, I should say, right? New levels of resistance to the upside. I think that would be a very strong confirmation, in my opinion, of that breakout trend. Now, right now, we are beginning to see this breakout trend, but I don't think it's as confirmed as many people may think, especially in context. You know, you zoom out on this one over the past 3 months, if we can, and you'll see, really, we are still down quite a lot. So in context, no, this is not the breakout. I think the breakout comes above initially 350 and most reasonably above 360, right? You break above 360 and I think we are into breakout territory. I think we're making a strong stand and a strong push towards that in the past couple of trading days. I think things are moving in the right direction. I think that's ultimately going to be a good thing. But are we in that breakout trend yet? Well, in my opinion, the answer is personally no, right? What we really don't want to see is red on this stock. This is going to be very critical because what we're really trying to avoid is getting back into this channel. We need to remain above 335. We can't drop back down to 320s again. We are looking like it is going to hold. It's looking more and more likely, but again, it's about seeing if we find these support levels in the 339 range, potentially a little bit higher in the 340s, but somewhere around this point. We don't really want to go much lower than this. Again, the stock is now coming up to an overbought range, almost. Not technically there yet, but quite close on the RSI. It's going to be about finding some nice consolidation here with a healthy push up. We're trying to establish that this floor, roughly at 339, 340, is going to be the floor. Is going to be the place where we find this stock consolidating, and is going to be the place where we essentially establish the momentum for the next level up. Now, I do think that this is possible, but it's going to be very, very critical, in my opinion, to see this breakout trend actually forming. So in reflection, the past week has been a significant one. It's allowed us to begin to break to the upside. It has set the stage for a potential significant breakout in the next few days and weeks. Are we there yet? In my opinion, no. Are we getting there? I absolutely think that we are. I think that things are coming along in a very impressive manner for this stock, and this is exactly like what we want to see. But again, we do still have some time to go. So I'd love to hear what you have to say on this in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much for your time. If you do enjoy these videos, please let me know by leaving a like and subscribing. And I will see you again in a future episode. Goodbye for now. you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.